Today I've come outside in the miserable English weather to compare 4 cordless blowers from Dewalt. The DCV 100, the DCM BL562, the DCM BA572 and the DCM BL777. Each one is built for a different type of job, so let's see how they compare. So the DCV 100 is the most compact option. It's part of the 18 volt XR range, weighs just over a kilo without a battery and spins at up to 18,000 revolutions per minute. It delivers around 80 meters per second of airspeed, making it handy for clearing sawdust from a workshop, blowing off your tools, or just tidying up light debris in smaller spaces. It's lightweight and very easy to carry, but it doesn't quite have the same amount of power for shifting big piles of leaves in the garden as some of the other options that I've got here. So next is the DCM BL562, also on the 18 volt XR platform, but with a brushless axial motor. This one produces about 12.7 cubic meters of airflow per minute, that's roughly 450 CFM, with speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour. Weighing just over 3 kilos without the battery, it's still comfortable to use, and it features a variable speed trigger, a lock lever, and a concentrator nozzle for more focused airflow. This makes it a solid all-rounder for regular garden maintenance. Stepping up now, we're going to have a look at the DCM BA572. This is part of the 54 volt XR Flex Volt line. Here you get up to 17 cubic meters per minute of airflow, about 600 CFM, again with a top speed of around 200 kilometers per hour. It weighs around 3.1 kilos without a battery, includes a lock-in trigger that acts like cruise control, and has a variable speed setting. This blower is designed for heavier work, clearing driveways, larger gardens, or damp autumn leaves, where a standard 18 volt blower, it might struggle in that situation. And finally, at the back over there, you can see I've got the DCM BL777. Now this is Dewalt's flagship 54 volt flex volt blower. This model pushes more than 21 cubic meters of air per minute. That's about 760 CFM. At speeds of up to 258 kilometers per hour, and it weighs roughly 3.2 kilos bare and offers 3 speed modes, an LED control panel, and a noise rating kept under 98 decibels. With the larger 15 amp hour flex volt batteries, you can see close to half an hour's runtime in eco mode. This is the choice for anyone who needs maximum performance, from serious garden clearance to professional landscaping. So here's the quick summary. The DCV 100 is best for light indoor or workshop jobs. The DCM BL562 is the everyday 18 volt garden blower. The DCM BA572 adds flex volt power for bigger outdoor spaces. And the DCM BL777 over there, that delivers top end performance when you need the lot. Dewalt's range gives you an option whether you're after something compact and portable or a powerful machine that can clear a garden in minutes. You can find these blowers and plenty more at its.co.uk.